OS Max B21. This is the new entry-level engine by OS, the XRB replacement engine. This is the cheap off-road 0.21 OS engine, and this is a very good one. This one runs and tunes great. I like it very much, and that's the reason why I bought this one. This one is pretty affordable, same range of price, but this one is B2104 based. The B2104 is the high-end OS that comes with DLC crankshaft, balanced crankshaft, steel backplate, a head O-ring, and probably higher timing numbers. We have a very similar block from the outside, but it should be a very basic engine, just as the XRB. Let's take it apart, check the internals, and later we are going to talk timing numbers. Here is the B21 disassembled, P3 glow plug, couple of ventures, but there's no size indication. Caps, the cooling head, same cooling head as the XRB, same color. I like the OS blue, but this one is drilled. Very nice. The bottom head comes with a single shim, 0.20 millimeters shim, turbo head, and no head O-ring. The carb is different from the XRB carb. This is a 21J. This one is a 22E. Same as the B2104 carb. Yeah, I know my engine is very dirty. Long low speed needle carb, and comes with a metal, I don't know how to call this, but on the XRB is made of plastic, and the price was about the same. This one is I think 11 euros more expensive than the XRB. Same range of price. The block from the outside, it looks like a B2104 block, but the B2104 has nice cuts here. Check out my review video. This one is more basic and comes with a steel rear bearing and a high quality made in Japan front steel front bearing, and of course no black coating. The crankshaft, very basic crankshaft, no fang here, no shark fin, and the crank window is not ramped. I would like to ramp this crankshaft. This will help a little bit. No counterweights, a very basic crankshaft. The piston, same piston as the B2104. This piston is machined. Very nice sleeve. Very similar sleeve to the B2104 sleeve, but we don't have the nice fangs here. The B2104 sleeve has fangs here. From what I see, it's the exact same sleeve apart from those fangs. We have 3 ports, very large intake ports, and look at the cuts. This is perfect. Very nice cuts. They smoothened the cuts here, just as they did with the B2104 sleeve. The XRB and the XRB based engines like the ELACI Dusty, they don't have this extra machining here. So this is made just like a high-end OS sleeve. Very nice. Perfect from the inside and the outside. Right, let's check the timing numbers. OS B21 16.27 bore, 16.8 stroke, just a regular long stroke engine, same bore and stroke as the B2104 and the XRB, opening at 145, closing at 65 for a total of 210 degrees. This is lower than the B2104. Obviously the B2104, if I remember well, was in the 225-26 degrees, but higher than the XRB. So this engine will perform better, obviously, but it's not only a matter of timing numbers. This one has a better intake ports design, and the exhaust port is also looking better. Blowdown 23 times 246, exhaust size 62 degrees, and duration 184. I didn't measure the exhaust duration and the exhaust size of the XRB. The blowdown is pretty similar, 23. This may be even a variation in the measurement. Checking the blowdown is not very easy. You can easily mistake a couple degrees. So that was the B21. Stay tuned for the running video coming up soon. I can't wait to try this engine. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.